today for the Bitcoin price. And you know what, guys? Today I will leave the introduction out of the equation. I will let the content speak for itself. Let me go here straight into the content. By the way, guys, if you're watching this right now, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Leave your comments down below. Just make noise for the algorithm. Share this video among your friends, WhatsApp, Telegram, wherever you feel comfortable with. But very important, smash up the like button. Make noise for the algorithm, as you are the reason why we have the most watched Bitcoin videos in the whole world. That's crazy. So now let's go straight into the content. Let's talk about the Bitcoin price. And this is not the chart I'm gonna be talking about. This is the chart you already know. This is the chart with this amazing fractal, which already played out before with this head and shoulders pattern. A fake out below. I was telling you back then, 29,000 US dollars, my worst case scenario. And then we just went to the upside. And now it seems like that this pattern, this fractal is once again forming. And this candle, I talked about it earlier. I said it's important that it is closing green. So far it is green. So let's wait and see. I want to go here into the shorter time frames, whether it's going to be closing in 3 days green, because this is what it actually comes down to. Now let me talk about what I actually wanted to talk about, and let me quickly see here. If I am pulling it down, it is this chart here. Actually, no, this is the chart I already had open. This is the chart, sorry. This is the chart I wanted to talk about. And here, we're not gonna be on the weekly candles. We are going to go to the daily candles, because what I was talking about earlier here is that this falling wedge is going to break very, very soon. And I was telling you that right here at the support, we got the bounce, and now we are getting rejected. Many people would say, hey, now that we are getting rejected here on the daily candles, we got rejected at 44,500, the exact price target I was mentioning earlier, that now we are going down for another retest of the downward sloping support at 39,200. No, not necessarily, because what you can see, if we are zooming out here just a little bit on the daily chart, let me show you something magical unfolding, because if we are pulling out this rectangle here, then you can see all the way back from actually the 7th of January, we are having insane support coming in here. Another reason why I was actually telling you right there, let me show you from top to bottom the approach with the Fibonacci extension level, that, well, most probably we are not going to reach the 78.6 because we have so important support above. The last time we went in there, just a few days ago, we had a massive bounce towards the upside. So what I am expecting right now, if we are not breaking the resistance today or tomorrow, I think worst case scenario, once again another retest of my support box here. Of course, this one has to hold, otherwise it's getting very dirty, between 39,000 and 40,500 US dollars. This support is holding. This support is so far holding. And eventually, if we are breaking the downward sloping support here, we are, dear ladies and gentlemen, looking at the price target of the top of the wedge here. This price target is, believe it or not, 68,800, 69,000 US dollars. This support here I'm showing you in the yellow box solidifies even more if I am going over to the weekly candles and then pulling out the EMA ribbon. The last resort, really, this is the most important thing actually to close above. As you can see, we already had, just a few months ago here in summer, we had a close below, and then the next weekly candle just shot us towards the upside. This is what I'm looking out for right now. Of course, 3 days more to wait here. 3 days more to see. Are we going to close back in? So far we are supported. So far we are on track. And actually, so far, believe it or not, on the weekly candles, we are still having higher highs and higher lows. So let's wait a little bit. If you're bearish on Bitcoin, just give it a little bit more time, guys. Of course, if we are eventually going to break the 38,800, this is when even I'm the biggest bull in the universe. Let me quickly turn this around. The biggest bull in the universe can change his opinion. So far, I'm just not doing that. As long as the facts are not changing, I'm not changing my opinion, my bias on Bitcoin here on the weekly candles. This is what I wanted to talk about. Also, before I go into my next price target for Bitcoin, look at this. Not only that VLAUNCH was just getting verified. Awesome here. Thanks to Twitter for recognizing our project, of course. I was just posting earlier. If you are staking VPAD, I just have it all in one tweet, then you can finally understand what VPAD is good for. You can get rewards from our 324 million US dollar rewards pool. Free IDO allocations, premium IDO allocations. You get a chance to win free NFTs, whitelist slots for NFTs, and free NFT allocations. I mean, honestly, guys, there's not more I can actually tell you about that. That should be the last selling point. But more importantly, of course, for everyone who is trading Bitcoin right now, let's wait and see what is happening here. If you're looking out for a potential trading scenario, not yet, guys. Wait for the resistance to break. It's not the time too long. Long when we are breaking resistance, that's fine. When we are closing a daily candle outside, then fine, guys. Go for it. And then the profit-taking areas, as easy as it is, from bottom to top, you can see the first one would be at 51,000 US dollars, just below the important 52,000 US dollar area, and then a very big one at the Fibonacci golden pocket right here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Of course, remember, if you want to be trading as well, go down below, video description, pin comment. You get less than 10,000 US dollars for free by clicking the Bybit link. Click it, register, takes like 10 seconds. After your initial deposit, you get 4,100 US dollars for free for your own trading on Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.